Welcome. Today I'm showing you how to link or unlink your Google Assistant option from Power Key into a Motorola Moto E22. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and go into Assistant option. Now choose Gestures option, and here we got double press to Power Key. So tap on this option and choose, for example, if you want to link Google Assistant, launch Assistant to Power Key. Double press to our Power Key, and how you can see our Google Assistant is activated. If you want to unlink, you can, for example, turn off this option or choose Launch Camera option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.